Alright guys, it's about time to put the hoe up. I have to get ready and gas it up, wash it up, and take it to storage. I already went to check out the storage space. Got my cardboard laid down and everything. So I'm finna go ahead and gas it up. And then we gonna head to the car wash. Usually I hand wash it, but I don't got the time right now. It's kinda cold out and I got a bunch of stuff to do anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and gas it up first. And then I'm gonna head to the car wash. Yes. Good old 87, cause she like the cheap stuff. Yeah. As you can see, she pretty dirty right now. But we're gonna get that taken care of. Alright guys, let me go ahead and finish pumping this gas, and then I'm gonna turn it back on when I make it to the car wash. So yeah. Gotta love that remote start when it get cold. Alright guys, let me head to the car wash. Yeah guys, I made it to the car wash, Delta Sonic. That's the car wash I usually go to during the winter time. Cause like I said, I don't like going through the automatic car wash, but when it's cold outside, you know, I'm not finna stand outside and wash no car. That's ridiculous. But yeah, let me go ahead and go through this car wash, and then yeah, we'll get it turned back on. Yeah, it's kind of packed, so I got a little wait. I'll turn it back on. I'll get ready to go through that for you. So yeah, kind of packed right now. Oh boy. Yeah, guys, like I said, I usually don't go through the automatic car wash, but when I have to, well, you have to go through the automatic car wash. Just find one that people don't too many have no problems with. Which I mean, automatic car wash, I really don't like them anyway, but like I said, when it's cold outside, you know, you got to keep that salt off your vehicle, that salt, you know, and that grime and stuff off your vehicle. So, I mean, you got to do what you got to do, but just try to find at least a decent one. So that's why I go to Delta Sonic, because I mean, ain't too much hurt, no problem. I mean, you got problems with everyone, but most car washes, I mean, cause a lot of people don't like, they scratch your car over time and this and that, blah blah blah. But you know, it's better. Like I said, it's better to keep that stuff off your car. So you got no other choice, especially if you're in the wintertime. You either want to ride around with all that salt on your car, or take a chance of going through the car wash. But it ain't like I do this every day, and I keep it waxed. So in the wintertime, this is what I do, and I'm finna throw it in storage anyway. So gotta do what I gotta do. But yeah, like I said, Delta Sonic is not a bad one to me. You know, I haven't had any problem with it, or heard anybody else have no major problems with it. So I figure I just run it through here. See, another reason why I like this car wash, because they have like 3 people, you know, one on each side to get to pre-soak it, and then before you go through the thing, is another person up there to go over it again, and then they send you through the car wash. So I mean, they pretty much do a decent job with it. Yeah, I always get the Sonic Suds, the touchless, no brushes. And that's another thing, I don't too much have to worry about no scratches. I mean, you can scratch it anyway. You can scratch it going in a store, or people brushing up against it coming out to the supermarket or whatever. But I'm just saying, I try to baby it much as I can, but it's hard to do it because you're gonna get scratches regardless. But I always get the, like, when I do have to come through the car wash, I get the clear coat polish and all that little extra goofy stuff that they got. You know, who knows if it worked, but I mean, hey, just for peace of mind. And then I get the undercarriage spray protecting stuff and all that. I just get the works. So And then, like I said, I'm finna throw it in storage anyway. So, you know, it's not gonna be clean like I would hand wash it, but, you know, hey, it's better than throwing it up in there with all that salt and dirt on it. See, that's the underspray and the rust and heavy the stuff I get. And then I like this again because they got all these dryers under here. I barely have to even wipe this car down because all the dryers. It's a super kiss. Hey guys, just came from the car wash, washing it up. Put a little Tide gel on it. I only had a little bit, but it's finna go in storage, so really don't matter. This is the storage unit I get. I'm gonna throw it in here. They want you to wanted me to buy a tarp, $8.99, but I'm like, skip that. They just don't want to be leaking anything up in here, so I'm just gonna put this just in here, just in case. Man, I don't think it's leaking anything, but I mean, it's an old vehicle. Who knows what it do when it sits? So I'm just gonna put this right here and say goodbye for the hoe for the rest of the winter. Sit it up in here. Yep. Hate to see her go, but she got to hibernate. So let me go ahead and put it up in here. Then we'll get going. All right, guys. Got the hoe up in the storage. Time for her to hibernate. All right, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share. Hit that like button. Turn that notification on for future videos. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out.